Light up your pool with these bright Starfish pool lights. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This light will work in an above ground pool or an in-ground pool. We have a steel wall in-ground pool, which made installation for this light super easy. It has a really strong magnet and it just sticks to the wall of our pool. The light itself is about 6 inches and it has a 26-foot long cord. We plugged ours into the power in our shed and then attached the light to the wall of the pool with the magnet, and now it's time to light it up. There are over 256 lighting options with this light. All you have to do is download the app and then customize the colors any way you want. You can adjust the brightness, the shades of the lights, there are multicolor modes, there's a timer for leaving them on, you can play music, you can talk, and the lights will move with the sounds. So many lighting options, it will be impossible for me to cover them all. The light itself is a 15-watt LED light, which is equivalent to about a 150-watt standard light, and of course it is waterproof with an IP68 rating. This comes with just one light, and our pool is 16 by 32, but even with only the one light, it does a pretty good job of adding some really cool lighting effects to our pool. If you're looking for a fun LED pool light for your pool, we recommend this.